All right, so here's the video for the flow test needed to run these rinse bars. I'm gonna hook it up to the alpha brush so you can see what we're working with. Then we'll drop it right in the bucket. We'll time the amount it takes based on the video clock, and we'll find out what it takes to run one at a minimum. So I'm gonna hook it up to the alpha brush so you can see we're doing the same amount as we did before. I don't know if you can see it in here, but this is flowing really well. I mean, this is probably higher than we were in the actual live video. I don't know what would have changed, but the dial on the water is at about the same. Let's see. All right, that's still flowing really well, right? It's actually clearing the bristles. It's arching over the bristles. It's flowing well enough to do that. So you can see the rinse bar 12-inch is flowing really well there. Let's hook it up to the 4 pencils so you can see the comparison for those that know about 4 pencil flow. So we got the 4 pencils going, and probably it's shooting, I don't know, a good 3 feet. The arch is dropping at about 4 foot out. So we're gonna disconnect and we're gonna fill this bucket, and we'll see when it's full. So you can see the water flow out of this 5/16 OD line is not heavy. I mean, it's arching about as far as the rinse bar was, right? So we're gonna lay this in here. This is a 2-gallon bucket. Find a way to not let this line escape so I don't have to babysit it. And we'll check back, figure out how long it takes to fill a 2-gallon bucket with the flow needed to power a 12-inch rinse bar and 18. We're getting close here. It's about to overflow. That's our 2-gallon bucket. And we're right about 2 gallons. Okay? This is the top. So we'll check the time. It looks like it says about 9:20 on the clock here. I think we started this video at about 1:20 in terms of the testing of the water flow. But you can see this is the water flow that we tested. This is a 3/16 inch line. Full bucket. No holes. No trick buckets. Let's see. On the bottom it says 2 gallons. Okay? So, if, playing with this gimbal here, if it was indeed around 8 minutes, that's 4 gallons, or 1 gallon every 4 minutes. We'll check the math and play the video back. But that's 4 gallons in a minute, which would mean it's about 1/4 of a gallon a minute, which is obviously very low flow. So we will check the tape and speed this up so that the middle, where we're recording, is more of a time lapse. But there's your flow rate. I believe it's around 1/4 of a gallon a minute to run a rinse bar. Obviously, if you have more, you can rinse faster, but it will do the job. Take care, guys.